Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Nath Online Classes. Today once again I am present in front of class 6 to discuss that maths with all of you. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. In this video I am going to explain about the very important properties of a number by the virtue of which you can able to know the divisibility of any numbers by another numbers. And for example, do you tell me about 100 is divisible by 6 or not without divisions? Do you tell me that 1000 is divisible by 5 or not without divisions? Do you tell me 1,02,206 is divisible by 6 or not? So please let us come to know about this, is the number is divisible by another number or not. But this is also without divisions. With the help of divisions we can check it easily by knowing the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then we can say the number is divisible. If the remainder is not 0, then we can say the number is not divisible. But the division takes a lot of time. While solving the problems we need the quick calculations, and for this purpose I am going to explain some divisibility rule by the virtue of which with the help of this rule you can justify whether the given number is divisible by another number or not. Let us come and understand. So first of all, look at the divisibility rule of 2. It means we have to check the given number is divisible by 2 or not. For this purpose the technique is given is known as divisibility rule, as here it is shown as divisibility by 2. For it we have to check the digit of the one place of a given number is even or not. Even means 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If the one place digit of a given number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then we can say the given number is divisible by 2. For example, 12. Without division we can say that 12 is divisible by 2 without any thinking. Only I am looking here that the one digit of one place of the given number 12 is even or 2. So here 12 is divisible by 2 or 12 is divisible by 2. Here 1 plus digit is 6, that's why 16 is also divisible by 2. Here 28, here 74, 80, 100, and there are many numbers that is divisible by 2 if they contains on its one places digit as 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So remember these things, that if the digit at one place is even or 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. Now in the same way let us come to know what is the criteria so that the number is divisible by 3. So we have to look the sum of digit is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit of the given number is divisible by 3, then we can say the number is divisible by 3. For example, 12, we look for 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is divisible by 3. That's why we can say 12 is divisible by 3. Understood? So 1 plus 3, here 3 is divisible by 3. That's why we can say 12 is also divisible by 3. In the same way 126, we can check here 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. That's why we can justify that 126 is also divisible by 3. Now move towards the divisibility rule of 4. What is this rule says? Last two digits are either 0, 0 or divisible by 3. We have to check the last two digits, means digit at the 10th place and digit at the 1 place. Combinedly divisible by, should be divisible by 4 or is equal to 0, 0, then the number would be divisible by 4. For example, 100, we clearly say that 100 would be divisible by 4 because it has its tens and 1 place digit as 0, 0. In the same way, we can check, we can say 144 is also divisible by 4 because it has last two places digit which is divisible by 4. Here 44, 48 is divisible by 4. That's why 148 is also divisible by 4. 172 is the another example. Now divisibility rule of 5. The last 1 places digit is either 0 or 5. In any number, if you look, the last 1 places digit is either 0 or 5, either 0 or 5, then we can say that the number is divisible by 5. Now divisibility rule of 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 6. As for example 12. 12 is divisible by 2 and 12 is divisible by 3. So we can say that with confidence that 12 is divisible by 6. As for example 108. 108 is divisible by 3 and it is also divisible by 2. That's why we can say that 108 is divisible by 6 also. Now divisibility rule of 7. It is very important. You have to remember. Just concentrate on this rule. Here first we have to check the difference of what? The first twice of the first digit. As for example, I am here taking 147. Here the 1 places digit is 7. 1, 10 and 100. 1 places digit is 7 and 7 into 2 is equal to 14 and the remaining place is 14. Remaining place digit is 14. So we have subtracted and after subtraction we get 0. And after subtraction, if we get 0 or the number divisible by 7, then the number will be, then only the number will be divisible by 7. If the difference of the 1 places, twice of the 1 places digit and the numbers formed by the remaining digit is either 0 or divisible by 7, then only the given number would be divisible by 7. Otherwise that number will not be divisible by 7. This is the divisibility rule of 7. Now divisibility rule of 8. What is this? The last 3 digit is either 0, 0, 0 is either 0, 0, 0 or divisible by 8. We have to look here the last 3 digits. As for example in 12,000, the last 3 digits is 0, 0, 0. Then we can say with confidence that 12,000 is divisible by 8. Here I have written 1 1,24,224. Is it divisible by 8? Yes, with confidence I can say, because I am looking here 224, its last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Okay, so we can say that 1,24,224 is divisible by 8. So please try to understand the divisibility rule of 9. If the number sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 9, then we can say that the given number would be divisible by 9. Otherwise the given number would not be divisible by 9 if the sum of digit would not be divisible by 9. So these are the divisibility rule. Here for example 243. Here 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 is also divisible by 9. That's why we can say that 243 is divisible by 9. So please try to understand and try to remember with roots and crooks. Anyhow, you have to remember this divisibility rule if you want to solve the problem in quick instant of time. For this purpose, you have to remember the divisibility rule by the given numbers of the given numbers. Now look at the divisibility rule of 10. If the digit at the one places is 0, then we can say that the number is divisible by 10. As for example 120, 300, 420, 550. Listen one again. If the digit at the one places is equal to 0, then the number would be divisible by 10. As for example 120, 300, 420. Here the digit at the one place is equal to 0. That's why 120 would be divisible by 10. Here also the digit at the one places is equal to 0. Then the number 300 would be divisible by 10. And the same things with 420 and 550. Now let us come the last divisibility rule of 11. In this divisibility rule, you have first decided the odd places digit and the even places digit. For example 121, here the odd places is 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is odd, this is even, this is odd. 1 odd, 1 even, 1 even. So take first odd places digit. 1 plus 1 comes 2, and the even places digit is 2. Now we have to subtract the sum of odd places digit and the sum of even places digit. What we get? 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we can say that the number is divisible by 11. So please remember, if the difference between the sum of odd places digit and the sum of even places digit is either 0 or 11, remember these things. The difference between the sum of odd places digit and sum of even places digit is either 0 or 11. Then we can say that, or multiples of 11, either the sum of odd places digit or sum of even places digit. When subtracted, then it would be result either 0 or multiples of 11. It means 11, 22, 33 and so on. Then we can say that the given number is divisible by 11. So these are the divisibility rule explained by us in this video. Now I am going to stop explanation. In the next video I will come again with some new interesting solutions and rules. Till that I want to say goodbye. But one thing you should remember, you have to solve exercise 2.3 as it is your HW exercise 2.3. 3. Solve exercise 2.3. To clear your confusions, to remove your doubt, please try to solve exercise 2.3. In the next video I will solve it. Till that I want to say goodbye.